So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can model this stone bread using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And before starting the tutorial guys, I just want to tell you, if you want to download this project file, so you can download this project file from the description. That will be free for my all subscriber. And if you found this project file and this video helpful for you, so and make sure you hit the like button. So now let's start the video. So first of all guys, I'm just going to open my Blender, and here you can see here I have already created one scene. So first of all I'm just going to delete everything, and going to add one cube here, and after that I'm just going to scale this cube something like this and something like this as well. So I think that's fine to me. And after scaling this object, make sure you apply the scale first of all, and then you have to just go to the edit mode of this cube, and here you have to add some edge loop. So I'm just going to add 4 edge loop here and one in the middle of this cube. And after that you have to just go to the front mode of this cube, and here you have to enable your X-ray mode, and then you have to select the all vertices, and from here you have to just scale something like this and something like this as well. So when you switch off your X-ray mode, so here you can see you will find something like this. Okay, so after that I'm just going to select the all edges, pressing the shift alt, something like this, and make sure you deselect the bottom edges because we don't need it. Yeah, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do bevel those edges, pressing the Control B, something like this. So I think that is fine to me. And after that you have to just select this also, and then you have to press the Shift R for the repeat command. Okay, and here you can see. So now I'm just going to select the all bevel faces. For that I'm just going to press the 3 for the face mode, and then I'm just going to select the all middle faces of these. So I'm just going to do very quickly. And after selecting the all edges, just press the Alt E on your keyboard, and here you will see the extrude along the normals. You have to just extrude inside something like this, and then I'm just going to do same thing, pressing the Alt E, and then I will do extrude inside something like this. And make sure you extrude all the faces individually, same like me. First I extrude 4 faces, and then I will extrude this middle face, so that will be give you a same result which I'm going to show you. If you not do like this, if you do the together, so it will not get the same effect. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the subdivision modifier, pressing the Control 2, and when I add the subdivision modifier it will look like this. So then what we have to do, we have to just add some supporting edges because right now it's going to melt, and I'm just going to do edit mode of this cube, and then I'm just going to add some supporting edges, something like that, and something like this as well, and you can add here as well. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, and then you have to just increase the viewport level, and here you can see when I do the shade smooth it will look like something like that. Okay, and so here you can see guys, our stone bread modeling is ready. And after that you have to just unwrap your model, and when you unwrap your model and add the texture, so it will look like this. And after that you have to just add the light on your scene, and when you take the render, so it will look like this. And don't worry about the texture guys, because you will get the all texture along with this project file. So make sure you download this project file, and if you found this project file and this tutorial helpful for you, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And now thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care, and stay home guys.